Lindell Mays charged with second-degree murder in the death of Lisa Lopez Galvan. Cameras were not allowed inside the courtroom. Here's a mugshot of Lindell Mays. Prosecutors say the Super Bowl parade shootout all started because two groups were staring at each other. Authorities say Mays pulled out a gun first. As for the other suspect charged in the shooting, Dominic Miller, law enforcement, they have yet to release his mugshot or detail when he will appear in court. KSHB 41's Grant Stevens talked with the Kansas City attorney to help break some of this down.
It's hard to find a direct comparison to this case, but Kevin, even with that in mind, the attorney we spoke with explained that it is moving pretty quick. We have names, we have charges, which you don't always get so fast, but there's no way around it. This is complicated, and complicated takes time.
Potential witnesses in the hundreds, more than 20 directly and an unknowable number indirectly injured. Plus, there's two parties, some of them juveniles.
All of that complicates it exponentially.
Attorney David Bell says ironing out those wrinkles in the story just takes time. So let's break down what we do know.
A standard murder charge would be knowingly firing a gun at someone and killing them. But in this case, the person that fired the gun likely didn't know the victim and wasn't intending to kill the victim. So what do?
The option prosecutors went with, unlawful use of a weapon combined with felony murder, which is when you commit a felony that leads to death, distinctly different from intentionally killing someone.
And that murder is the same level as if someone took a gun and meant to kill that person. The benefit of it to a prosecutor is the prosecutor only has to prove that they fired a gun into a crowd of people, which is what they're charged with, and that a death resulted from that.
But it won't be that simple.
The difficulty here is self-defense.
Which is why there's been a call for more witnesses and more injured to come forward, both better to tell the story of what happened.
They saw something or tripped over something, and they didn't realize it was important at the time, but it would be now.
And to get a full picture of the impact of the shooting.
There's a desire on all of our parts to have this solved. A horrific thing happened, and as a member of the community, we want it done. And creating that more complete picture, I think, is a benefit to all of us that want to see justice in this case.
In Kansas City, Grant Stevens, KSHB 41 News.